Guys, welcome back to another update by R&Dgarage. So as you can see, we are still in the middle of painting here. I'm going to be helping Dee today, and I don't know if that was his plan because I'm not the best when it comes to DIY painting, but I'll tell you this, it's not going to be as bad as the next door neighbor's DIY plumbing. So at least I got that covered. But anyway, we're going to take you along. I'm going to paint a little. As you can see, we're still a little disorganized here, but as soon as the paint dries, we will be putting everything back together and we'll be continuing to work on the fastback. So stay with me. Thank you so much for being patient. And again, thank you so much to everybody that's just subscribed. I still have a lot of content on here that you can get through before we get to the next stuff. So at least there's that. Happy Sunday. Hey guys, well, thank you for enjoying this little stop motion film of us painting, which I'm assuming watching us paint is a little bit more fun than watching paint dry. Let's hope so anyway. Okay, so we're about done with the wall. We finished the bottom half. We gotta let that dry. Dee's gonna come back sometime this week and paint the middle section, which I can't reach, and the top section, which I most definitely can't reach, without a ladder and probably with a ladder too, whatever. But as soon as that's done, we're gonna start reorganizing and it's gonna look fantastic in here. So stick with us. There's still a whole lot more cool stuff to come. Thanks again, guys.